video, I'm gonna be using my bundles. These bundles are from my hair company. Look how shiny it is. But today, what I'm going to be doing these bundles is I'm going to be making a headband wig for one of my customers, because she don't like the full lace wigs. She like basically she wants something that she can put on and go. So I'm going to be making a straight one, and then I'm going to be making a body wave one. So yeah, let's get started. So I got my wig cap, my thread and needle, because I don't have a sewing machine. Well, I do have a sewing machine, but I haven't learned how to sew a wig on it yet. I got my head. I know it got all kind of color on it. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the wig cap on the head. And I know I don't have a headband yet. I'm gonna go get the headband as soon as I'm done making these two wigs, to sew the headband on the wig, because that's the most important part about making a headband wig. Because how you gonna make a headband wig without a headband, you know? So this is what the cap look like. So basically, I'm just gonna take these two bundles. Y'all can't get over how silky they is. Look at that. I'm gonna take these two bundles and I'm gonna sew them across. And then once I get to like at least right here, that's where the headband is gonna be sewn to. So yeah, let's get into it.
Well, my bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. Yeah. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume. Okay.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, iced out name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie and the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck 'em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Dead glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Dead glow. No competition, these bitches stale, hoe. Dead glow. Curbing, no curbing, my shit in layers, hoe. Dead glow. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Dead glow. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Gang glow, slapping rap bitches